Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the closing ranks of SC/ST category NEET PG 2020 round 2 and comparison with round 1 closing ranks. I have uploaded a separate video for general all India quota closing ranks and comparison with round 2 in a separate video, and I have uploaded already. Now I am going to discuss category wise SC, ST, OBC. Okay, then let's start. One thing, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Let us discuss. First, in this section, this is branch, and in this section SC round 1 round 2, and in this section ST round 1 round 2 closing ranks. Okay, first one is MD medicine. MD medicine SC round 1 is 18972 and SC round 2 is 20944. Anesthesia round 1 33619 and round 2 37204. Emergency medicine SC 22541 and in round 2 all seats are full. Obs and gynae round 1 24408, round 2 29843. Pedia 19208 25006. Patho 42698 and 48504. Radio diagnosis 12465 and in round 2 13203. Radiotherapy in round 1 of civil cast 32444 and in round 2 37943. Respiratory medicine round 1 21909 and round 2 25765. ENT 31461 and in round 2 it is at 33770. If you talk about ophtha, then in round 1 30023 and in round 2 of SC 33425. In surgery, general surgery, round 1 26900 and round 2 30255. If we talk about MS Ortho, in round 1 of SC the closing rank is 21132 and 26905. If you talk about PSM, then in round 1 26272 and in round 2 42331. If Derma, round 1 12090 and in round 2 13571. Psychiatry, round 1 31725 and in round 2 33241. So these are closing ranks of round 1 and round 2 of SC category. Now I will discuss about ST category of round 1 and round 2. Medicine, MD medicine round 1 35284 and in round 2 38789. Next one is our anesthesia. Anesthesia round 1 is 53484 and round 2 is 59727. Next one is our emergency medicine. Emergency medicine round 1 43552, round 2 52213. Next one is obs and gynae. Obs and gynae 455483 in round 1 and 49287 in round 2. Next one is our Pedia. Pedia is 35320 in round 1 and 38647 in round 2. Next one is Patho. Round 1 62300 and round 2 72253. Radio diagnosis in round 1 19682 and in round 2 25182. Radiotherapy in round 1 57165 and in round 2 65105. Respiratory medicine in round 1 38592 and in round 2 44669. ENT in round 1 of ST 49867 and in round 2 57809. Aptha in round 1 47840 and 56886 in round 2. Surgery in round 1 48960 in round 2 54561. Ortho in round 1 37771 and in round 2 45978. PSM 75762 in round 1 and in round 2 83428. Derma in round 1 16529 in round 2 24615. Psychiatry in round 1 54201 in round 2 60606. So these are the closing ranks of SC and ST category in round 1 and in round 2 closing ranks. So keep in touch guys, I will upload OBC category soon, and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.